Hi everyone, welcome aboard to my YouTube channel. Just like I promised you that in my next videos we shall be sharing more. Now this time we are going through Microsoft Excel. We are going to define the terminologies in the Microsoft Excel, and I'm going to show you various places what those terminologies mean. First of all, we shall start with a workbook. Let me first go and open my Excel. Since I have to search for it, I come here, then type Excel. Here it comes, and I open it. As it is loading, we be patient because it is taking long to load. From here we are going to use a blank workbook. Now a workbook is a file that contains one or more worksheets. So we are going to see the worksheets in a workbook. So let's open our workbook. We'll make it appear white like that. So the whole of this, what you're seeing, is what is called a workbook. The whole of this area that we are going to do our work from is called a workbook. Yes, we have seen our workbook. Now we are going to the worksheet. Now a worksheet is a single page in an Excel where you can put manipulate your data. So this one is a worksheet. Here is a worksheet. Here is a worksheet where you can put your data. Here you can manipulate your data, whether names or marks or what. Where is called a worksheet. In a worksheet we have what is called a row and what is called a column. Now for a row, a horizontal line of cells in a worksheet. Our horizontal lines are these ones that are running from here like this. This one here is our horizontal line. For a column, these are vertical lines in a worksheet. These ones here, it's called a column. After that we have a cell, and a cell is the intersection of a row and a column where you can enter data. So the intersection here, this one is a cell. The intersection of a row and a column, as you see they intersect here, is what they call a cell. Intersection of a row and a column where you can enter data. Now we go to a range. A range is a selection of two or more cells. Here we have our active cells. This one, we have our active cells. So now when we want to select our cells, let's activate our cell by saying equal sign. Then you put then you select the cell that you want. For example, here I have C1 like that. can also decide to come here okay. That is what we call a range selection of. The next one is the formula. Formula is an equation used to operate or perform calculations in a worksheet. So like here, for example, assuming we have some data here that we have entered, maybe let me first sample. Let me first sample here. Assuming I'm having something here like 40, and I have here like 20. Now, if I want to put my formula, I will come here, then add it. Now I will say 40 plus 20. The answer it gives me is giving me 60. So that is what it is called the formula. The next one is a function. This one is a predefined formula. The predefined formula that performs a specific calculation. Like here, let me first delete this. Like here, if I want to get the sum, let me first activate myself. Now I type sum. Then I will tap in the cells that I want to add. For example, I want to add B2. I want to add B2. See how it is selecting, and C2. And I press enter. The answer it gives me. So that is what is called a function. The next one is cell reference. Cell reference is just an identifier for cell or range of cells used in formulas and functions. For example, like here, our A2 or B2. This one, our A2 is an identifier. B2 is an identifier. Of course, A2 and B2, those ones are relative, and we also have an absolute. An absolute where we can put dollar, or when you want to rank something, we put dollar sign. Let me just type here. For example, dollar sign. Let me first activate myself. For example, dollar sign. Then maybe if I want F, say like F. Then again dollar sign. Then 1. That is what is called absolute, as this one A2 is the relative one. Then maybe the last but not least is a chart, which is a graphical representation of a worksheet. This can maybe be bar graphs, and these ones can get them in insert. We come here, go to insert, then come to insert. Then here we are seeing all these charts. So here you'll choose the one that you want. Maybe if you want a pie chart or a bar graph, like that. So friends, that is what I had for you about terminologies in Excel. So like, watch them and subscribe. Bye bye, see you next time.